Hey everyone, today we are going to create this Papercraft-Style heart in Affinity. It's got that layered, folded paper look that works really well for greeting cards, social media graphics, and all kinds of other designs. And it's actually quite easy and super quick to make. So let's get into it. Before anything else, I'm going to add a background color. I'll head to Pixel in the top menu and click New Fill Layer. With the Fill tool selected, I'll drag a gradient path on the fill layer. I'll select this gradient stop, head to the color panel, and set the color to blue. Then I'll select this gradient stop and change it to a lighter blue. Next, I'm going to draw a heart. I'll head to the Shape tool and select the Heart tool. Draw the heart and align it to the center. Now I'm going to cut the heart in half. I'll grab the pen tool, click here to add a note, then hold down Shift and click here to add another one. Press Escape and we've got a straight line right through the center. After that, I'll switch to the Move tool, select everything, the heart and the line, go to Boolean Operations, and click Divide. Now the heart is cut in half. I'm going to remove this part. Now I'll give it a gradient color. I'll grab the Fill tool and drag a gradient path from left to right. I'll select this gradient stop, go to the color panel and set it to light pink. Then I'll select this gradient stop and set it to pink. Next, I'll add a stroke. With the Fill tool still selected, I'll go to the Context drop-down right here and select Stroke. Then I'll drag a gradient path from left to right as well. I'll select this gradient stop and change the color to white. Then I'll select this one, change it to white as well, and slide the opacity down to make it fully transparent. I'll drag the midpoint marker to the left so the transparent area is slightly wider. Then I'll go to the Stroke panel and change the stroke width to 2 points. Now I'll grab the Move tool, select the shape, and press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it. Then I'll drag it inward to reduce the width, about this much. I'll press Ctrl or Command J once more to duplicate another one and reduce the width again. After that, I'll select all of them and press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate. Then I'll go to the Context toolbar, click Flip Horizontal, and drag them so they sit right next to the originals. I'll select everything and group them. And there we have it, a Papercraft-Style heart, all done in Affinity. I hope you had fun with this one and give it a try in your own designs. Try experimenting with different colors and see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care and bye.